Scoliosis is deformity of the spine characterized by lateral deflection and rotation of the vertebrae and seems to present itself at ages 10 to 12 and more with girls than boys. The most common pattern of scoliosis is where the spine curves to the right, called dextroscoliosis, and a right convex curvature results in forward rotation and protrusion of the right shoulder. Scoliosis is a progressive condition which later symptoms can be pain and reduced mobility. Scoliosis is confirmed with X-ray, and treatment consists of observation and use of a brace in milder conditions, though in severe cases, surgery is required. Welcome back to another episode of Polymer E-Club's Ask Dr. Paul. Today we're going to highlight rigid and flexible polymers based on urethane chemistry. So when your boss talks about urethane polymers, what do you need to know? STEM engineers working in product development with polymers should know how to make urethanes. Thermoplastic Polyurethane, or TPPU, is an amorphous plastic that is polymerized with isocyanates and alcohol using condensation polymerization. To make thermoplastic polyurethane, the rigid isocyanate chain lengths are longer than the flexible alcohol chain lengths in the urethane repeat unit. If the flexible polyol portions of the repeat unit are longer than the rigid isocyanate portions and the polymer is crosslinked, we get polyurethane rubber, or PUR, which has high elongation, say 1,000%, and is used in mattresses and golf ball covers. We know the TG of amorphous plastics like thermoplastic polyurethane is above room temperature, while the TG of elastomers is below room temperature, with the TG of polyurethane rubber being about minus 45 degrees C. Thermoplastic polyurethane, or TPU, is a TPE and a copolymer in which the hard segments come from isocyanates and flexible ethers come from polyol, or long-chain alcohol, which is the majority and creates the soft segments. TPU competes with elastomers and can be used in applications like clothing, cell phone covers, and small wheels, since urethanes have great wear properties. TPU has the high elongations like elastomers, say 1,000%, because of the higher soft segment quantity that will remain flexible during product use. The TG of TPEs is below room temperature, with most of the TPU grades having TG below minus 20 C. TPU, being thermoplastic, cycles like plastics with maybe a 20-second cycle to injection mold small parts in which the hard segment blocks will flow with heat, and these segments will find each other and crystallize upon cooling and become the hard segment anchor points of the TPU. The hard segment levels of the TPU provide the upper modulus and temperature limits, just like the flexible ether provides the lower temperature flexibility limits, where TPU will remain a flexible polymer. Thermoset Polyurethane, or TSPU, has significant commercial use in rigid foams in the coating and varnish industries. In review, thermoplastic polyurethane and thermoset polyurethane are homopolymer plastics with more hard segments shown in red than soft segments shown in orange. The difference is thermoset polyurethane is cross-linked through its hard segments as shown in blue. Polyurethane rubber is a homopolymer elastomer with more soft segments shown in orange than hard segments shown in red, and is cross-linked through its soft segments as shown in blue, while TPU is a block copolymer with more soft segments than hard segments, in which all these materials use urethane chemistry from isocyanates and alcohols to make urethane polymers. Knowing the common rigid and flexible urethane-based polymers, that's working knowledge. Remember to like, subscribe, turn on notification, and even share if you appreciate the content. You can visit our website to learn more about our upcoming Polymer Applications course. I'm Paul Nash for Polymer E-Club's Ask Dr. Paul. Thanks for watching.